Alright, so this one won't be bad at all. It's a cylinder, 245.5 and 10 tall. This is 49. So 10 tall. 245.5 by 245.5. That's Star Wars running through my brain. And I don't ever worry about that grid down there. So, these are squares. Okay. And these are going to be the easiest one to make first. So it's 20 by 10 and it's 40 over. All right. So we got us a hole. It is 20 by 10. And then this hole in the middle is 72. Doesn't matter how tall it is. 72 by 72. A lot of sides. Yeah, and I'll just go ahead and group it. Okay. If you're not looking at the flat, it's going to be a problem. And I'm going to group again. Okay. So I know this is 20. Let me zoom in. I know this is 10 by 20, okay? So I need to hold down the shift key. Well, I need to make a duplicate. Hold down the shift key, make it, I'm just gonna make a duplicate and I'm gonna move it over. I'm gonna hold down shift and move it over 10 because it's 40 from here. So I'm going, holding down the shift key and I'm going over 4 times. But I gotta move it 10 before I do that. So 10, because that's where my measurement's from. So I'm starting over. 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, let's look. And it looks kind of right. So we're going to make a copy and then we're going to move it up. We're going to have 5 in between here. Okay. You got to be careful when you're making copies about them. Just keep them going, but this one will actually work. Okay, so going over 10, going over 20, and then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you hit duplicate, it should do the same. Well, it didn't do it. So over 10, over 5, over 5 more. We'll do the same thing here. So I'm going over 40. I'm going to click off of it, duplicate, going over 20 and then 5 more. That one worked. Okay. So, let's, well, we've done this 100 times, I think. Okay. Duplicate, rotate 60, duplicate again. And then, once you group it, Bob is your uncle. That's what they say in Great Britain. You're done. Turn it in. That is 49. Have a great day.